Hello mga math enthusiasts! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. And for today's video, ito na yung part 2 ng assessment sa week 8 ng inyong mga LEAP module. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa problems involving oblique triangles. Okay? Pero bago ko simulan ng video tutorial na ito, siguraduhin na muna mga anak ko na napindot nyo na dyan ang like button. O, pindutin na. At syempre, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo na rin dyan ang subscribe button. At i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang maging updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Okay na-like na subscribe at na-hit na rin ang notification bell? Kung okay na, tara na, simulan na natin. Okay mga anak ko, ito na yung last video ha. Oh my, last video na natin for the 4th quarter. Kamusta naman kayo? Okay, so let's see this number 3. From the rooftop of a building, Nestor observes a tree and a house. The angle of depression of the tree is 50 degrees. Okay? So, ang angle of depression down in the form for that tree is 50 degrees. So, if I am going to have it drawn, okay, suppose ito yung building natin ha, para hindi na ako matagalan mag-drawing. So, ito yung building natin, ayan. And then, meron tayong angle of depression, kung ito yung horizontal line natin, kung saan malalaman natin kung angle of depression or angle of elevation ba yung nangyayari. So, ito yung point of reference natin. Ang depression daw ng angle ay 50 degrees. Okay? So, nandito si 3. Okay? And then, and that of the house is 35 degrees. So, ito, mula doon, papunta dito, yun naman yung depression for the house. Now, if the distance between the tree and the house is 12.25, ito yon. Find the distance of Nestor from the house. Kung nandito si Nestor at nandito yung house, ang hinahanap natin, ito. So, how are we going to solve for that? Okay, i-check natin ha. Ang buong angle na ito hanggang sa 3 ay 50 degrees. Pero na-cover na ng house natin yung 35 degrees. Dito sa na-form nating triangle, ano na ngayon ang measurement nito? O, sige, tingnan natin. Yan yung triangle natin. Yung buo, 50. Pero ang i-consider lang natin ito. Dahil ito ay 35, so 50 minus 35, ilan na siya? Siya ay 15. So, ito, yung angle na to ay 15 degrees lang. Okay, suppose this is A. So, angle A is 15 degrees. Okay, next, how about, suppose this is B and this is C. Paano natin malalaman to? Kung mapapansin ninyo, may mapo-form tayong, triangle dito, right? Triangle. Okay? Kung ang buong ito ay 50, then we can say na itong part na to ay 40. Okay? Kasi right din ang mabubuo natin dito para maging 90 sila. Ngayon, kung 40 ito, 90 ito, ano ngayon yung angle na to? It means this is 50 degrees. Bakit ko kailangan malaman yan? Para malaman natin ano yung measurement nito. Kung 50 ito, it follows na angle B ay 130 degrees. Nakita ha, minus lang yan. Angle B is 130. Ulit, yung buong ito ay 50. Pero dahil yung 35, nakuha na ng part na to, so 50 minus 35, you have 15 degrees. Ngayon, para makuha yung angle B, bumuo tayo ng isang right triangle dito kasi alam natin ito ay 90. At etong angle na na-form dito ay 90, pero dahil na-cover na yung 50, ibig sabihin 40 na lang to. Dahil ang sum ng triangle or ng angles in a triangle is 180, kung ito ay 90 na, ito ay 40 na, ilan na lang yung kailangan? 50. Pero dahil ito ay supplementary or linear pair, ibig sabihin kung may 50 ka na dito, ano na yung angle na to? That's 130. Kaya nakuha natin yung 130. So, dahil meron na tayong 15 saka 130, ano na ngayon? yung angle C. So, 130 plus 15, that's 145. Ilan na lang yung kulang? 35. Okay? O kaya, gawin yung ginagawa natin. 180 minus 15 plus 130. So, you will have 180 minus 145. So, 180 minus 45 is 35. Kaya nakuha natin yan. Okay? So, ang side A natin, ito. Ayan yan. So, this is A. So, that is 12.25. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin ay ano daw yung layo nung bahay at ni nung bahay at ni Nestor. Ni Nestor dun sa house. So, ang kukunin natin ito, yung B. Okay? So, missing tayo ng B. So, pwede natin gamitin ito to find for that. Law of sines. Okay, so you will have here sine A over A equals to sine B over B. Okay, so sine 12.25 over, angle pala. Sorry. Naduling si ma'am. Okay, sine 15 over 12.25 is equal to sine 130 over B. Kasi yun yung hinahanap natin ito. And then cross multiply, you'll have here B sine 15 is equal to 12.25 sine 130. And then divide both sides by sine 15 sine 15. Cancel. So, B is equal to, tandaan ha, 12.25 sine 130 divided by sine 15. O, let's see. 12.25 sine 130 equals divided by sine 15. And that is, nearest hundredths daw. So, 7 ang katabi ng 5, kaya yung 5 magiging 6. So, 36.26. We'll have here 36.26 meters. So, ano ngayon ang conclusion nyo? Therefore, the distance between Nestor and the house is 36.26 meters. Okay, now let's go to number 4. Okay, a point A and B are opposite sides of Yambo Lake. Okay, from a third point C, the angle between the lines, of sight of A and B is 56 degrees. If AC is 370 meters long and BC is 296 meters long, find AB. Okay, so kailangan i-drawing natin yan kasi hindi nyo yan ma-visualize. Okay, suppose this is A, B, and C. Okay, the angle between the lines of sight to A and B is 56. So, kung titingnan niya to, line of sight niya to, saka ito, ibig sabihin si C ay 56 degrees. Okay? And then, if AC, ito yun, AC, which is opposite of B, ibig sabihin ito ay side B, is 370 meters long. And then, si BC naman, BC, which is side A, kasi opposite siya ni side A, ayan yan. So, this is 296. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano daw ito? Ano daw si C? Okay, so angle A, wala. Angle B, wala. Angle C, meron tayo 56 degrees. Okay, and then side A ay 296. Side B is 370. Side C, yun yung hahanapin natin. Okay, so paano ang gagawin natin dyan? Dahil C ang hinahanap at meron tayong side, and angle, so we can have cosine. Okay, so we have the formula C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB Okay, and then cosine C. Okay, A natin is 296 squared plus 370 squared minus 2 times 296 times 370 times cosine 56. Okay, 296 squared, hindi ko na ipapakita ha. This is 87,616 plus 370 times 370 is 136,900 minus, pag minultiply ko itong tatlo, you'll have 219,040 and then cosine 56. Pag inad ko itong dalawa, you will have here 224,516 minus, ito yung i-calculate natin. What is 219 cosine 56? So, we have here, okay, this is 219,040 cosine 56. And that is 122,485.61. Okay, that is 122,485.61. And then subtracting this, you'll have 102,030.39. Okay, pero yan ay c squared lang. So, you have to get the square root of that. So, you will have to get c. Okay, so you will have the square root of, the square root of 102,030.39 is 319.42. Okay, so C is equal to 319.42. So, what can we conclude? Therefore, the measurement between AB is 319.42 meters. Okay, and for the last one, for number 5, a weight is supported by cables attached to both ends of a balance beam as shown in the figure. What angles are formed between the beams and cables? Okay, if we are going to name this as triangle A, B, and C, then we can say that ang nawawala natin ay angle A. Okay, and then do we have angle B? Wala ring angle B, wala ring angle C. Okay, pero meron tayong side A is 60. So, lahat ito ay wala. Question mark. And then B is 90. And C is what? Ay, binago ko pala ito. Magkaka-bonus ba kayo? O, baguhin natin ha. Ito ay ginawa kong 80. Ito ay ginawa kong 50. At ito ay 35. Okay? So, baguhin natin. Makaka-bonusan na kayo, no? Buti naalala ko. Okay, so we have here, ang A natin ay 50, ang B natin ay 80, ang C natin ay 35. Okay, so dahil sides lahat ang given, then we can have law of cosine. Okay, so unahin natin si cosine A. Cosine A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. So, B is 80 squared plus 35 squared minus 50 squared over 2 times 80 times 35. Okay, so you will have here, enter ko lang. So, you will have here now, 80 squared is, how many? 6,400. Okay, plus 1,225 minus 2,500. Over, this all is 5,600. Pag tinimes ko. Okay, so pag inad ko pakita ko na nga. So, we have here 6,4 plus 1,225 minus 2,5 Sorry. Yan. Divided by 5,600. So, you will have 0.92 kasi round off na 5 na yung katabi ng 1. So, you will have 0.92. Pero yan ay cosine A. Ang kailangan natin, A lang. So, kailangan mag-arc sine. So, we have kailangan mag-arc cosine. So, arc cos 0.92 is 23.07. Kasi 3 lang yun naman yung katabi ng 7. So, we have 23.07. Ito yung A. Angle A. Pero, ang hinahanap natin ay angle A at, diba? Dalawa yung question mark. Angle A and angle C. So, kunin natin yung angle A and angle C. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng sine A, which is 23. Wait. Lagay muna natin yung formula. Okay, so we have sine A over A equals to sine C over C. So, sine A is 23.07 over, ano niya? 50. Over 50 equals to sine C na nawawala over 35 to. Tama ba? Yung C ay 35. Tama. Okay. And then cross multiply. We have 35 sine 23.07 and then 50 sine C. Divide by 50, divide by 50. So, sine C is equal to, cancel to, 35 sine 23.7 over 50. Ulit, 35 sine 23.67, 07 over 50. Naduling na. Okay, so we have 35 sine 23.07 is that divided by 50. So, you will have here 0.27, ha? So, sine C is 0.27. Pero, hindi naman sine C ang kailangan natin. Ang kailangan natin ay C. So, C is equal to, mag-arc sine tayo, sine 0.27 or arc sine 0.27. Arc sine 0.27. That's 15.66. Okay, 15.66 degrees. So, anong masasabi ninyo? Therefore, angle A is equal to, what's our angle A? 23.07 and angle C is equal to, or the measurement of angle A is equal to 23.07 degrees and the measurement of angle C is 15.66 degrees. Okay, that's it for number 5. And ang huling-hiling ko, mga anak ko, na sana mabisit nyo ang ating FB page, Love Math TV. Ngayong bakasyon, mag-upload pa ako ng ibang mga videos na math tricks na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo as you go on with your math journey, ha? Kaya please follow our Facebook page, Love Math TV. And also, syempre, mag-upload pa rin naman dito si Teacher Maria sa YouTube channel kasi kailangan active lang siya para next school year, siguro sa September or October man yung school year na susunod natin, ay mas makita nyo rin yung mga videos natin. And lastly, please comment your message for our journey in math, ha? I-comment nyo yung nararamdaman ninyo, yung na-feel ninyo, at kung ano man yung naitulong ko sa inyo dito sa math journey ninyo, ha? Sige na, babasahin ko yan, okay? At laging tandaan, let's spread the love of math. Thank you and bye!